What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses, Pallet Idea Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr., and I am here to make an improvement to what was and to what my wife and I desire it to be. And it has to do with this herb garden. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the herb garden will get a touch up. It was decided after looking at it, even seeing what you all had to say, that it does need to get a little, touch up, okay? So what we're gonna do is add some boards here to the gap, because it's a lot of gappy. I can't even say a little gappy, it's a lot of gappy. So we're gonna fill in the gaps, we're gonna give it some color, and we decided to go with the color blue, which matches the deck situation, the pallet deck, all that good stuff in the backyard is, what ultimately it will match, just in case we decide we don't like how it looks in the front. We can just take it to the back and we can figure out something else for the front. Okay, so that is the overall plan, that's the overall idea, so that you all are aware. And so what we need to do is get the wood that's gonna fill in this gap. So as y'all know, we have the pallet holder or pallet wood holder situation that we built together on the channel. So I'm gonna just go to the back and see what we can collect, okay? I know it's a little dark, lighting back here is a little different, but nonetheless, you can go ahead and subscribe. Here I am. All right, and here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the holder. So this is the beauty of the holder, right? You now see there's some wood options that I could choose from, and I need about 4 pieces. So, there's pieces already cut down here. Look at this. It might be the length that I need. So let me grab, nah, that one has a cut. Let me grab these. Grab these pieces. I need 4 pieces. I'm gonna just grab 5 just in case something goes wrong. Always have enough. And thank God I don't have to do too many cuts. Just overall 1 cut, or possibly this might even fit. If this fits, I'm telling you, this would be a beautiful video, because that'll make my life a whole lot easier. But if not, hey, we'll do what we need to do. All right, so let's see. Nah, just a little too long. That's okay. That's okay. That's all right. 1 minor cut won't hurt anybody. So all I have to do is just measure out how long the distance is between one end to the other end. Cut that out with the boards, and then we can go ahead and attach those boards, and then we can paint. All right, so let me go ahead and do that, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Okay, join the DKUJ family. Hey, let me do my cut. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now we have that, and it looks so much better already. Like the filled in gap, which top parts look a little crooked. I might have to make that adjustment. Good thing I use screws rather than nails, because with screws you can make the proper adjustments to do what you need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and correct that, because yeah, that is the top one is a little crooked, but I can line that up, get that ready to go, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. And yeah, man, you'll get to see the finished product at the end of the day. I have the same deck paint that I use in the back. You can see it right there. Yes, indeed, that I use for the pallet deck in the back, and the pallet sectional, and the pallet bench, and the pallet table, and the pallet work table, right? All those 4 things are this same color blue. Therefore, we're gonna do what we do with this one to be the same color blue as well. And it's gonna look nice up here if it stays. If not, it'll look nice in the back. Anyway, as you can see, nothing has grown with it in a week. Nothing's grown, but at the end of the day, a lot of stuff happens in the dirt as opposed to on top of the dirt. So I'm gonna let it do what it do and be an expectation on what it's gonna do. Okay? All right, let me do what I need to do with this, and we'll be close to done. Let me show you. Let's paint. Alright, beautiful people, and just like that, the project is done. I think it looks 100 trillion madrillion times better than it did before. So here it is. The sun is definitely going down now, if not have gone down at the end of the day. But I was able to get it done with some actually paint to spare. So hey, future projects. And the other thing I need to go ahead and throw some paint on, I do have enough resources to make that happen. But nonetheless, I am happy with the way it turned out. Go ahead and smash that like button if you do as well. Appreciate you for subscribing. And at the end of the day, we love you all. We thank you all for all the things that we get to do together. Thank you for being here with us. And I thank you for your attention. You made it this far. I appreciate you. I just want to tell you, let you know, I love you. We do. The Jones family. All right. Till next time. Peace.